Yeah. Yeah. Space age forever. Niggas and hoes better recognize. 8Ball and MJG been 10 toes down in this game since we was two young players in a one-horse town. Knee high to a motherfucking grasshopper, you know what I'm talking about? Nigga, my life would have been that got cut off if my dues wasn't paid.
It's a skinny line between wrong and right. Trapped in the trap till the morning light. Get away, left me no choice, and I had to fight. My mom and dad were too young to raise me right. Baby, I've been made a man for all the mistakes I made. Niggas dead, niggas gone, I still ain't afraid. Ain't too grown to get back on with ghetto games I played. My life would have been done, got cut off if the dues weren't paid.
In the middle of doing crime. It never stopped me from writing rhymes. It never stopped me from playing music. God put it in me, I had to use it. It was obvious. I had to give up the streets for the beats. Not knowing, but having faith on just how long that it would be before I made it. Before somebody picked up my tape and played it with a remark like, hey, play that instrumental. The cat's got potential. In the process of doing talent shows, parties, and mixtapes, we even put it down on some of our homeboys' chair release dates. I can remember in the past closing down in fast food, strictly sticking to my dreams, but feeling like I'd be the last dude who could make it in this rap. I thought that they ain't gonna see me in Memphis. It was like a time they looked over Tennessee and didn't know hip hop was in it. To all my vets in the game, I got love. Stay on your toes. Cause back in the days, I used to use your 4-5 instrumentals to do my show. And look, I was 17 when I signed my first contract, and about 18 and a half when I signed my worst contract. We heard from that, and to this day, they still the strip. Our first taste before coming out hard. Now can you feel it? Be humble and patient with whatever you should choose. Cause to get to where I am right now, I done paid my dues.